why should children science more? Uh, why do you think that they need to understand these three subjects a lot more? Because whether we realize it in our real day-to-day life activities, we do not seem to understand, or it just skips our mind that be it physics, chemistry, or biology, it gets integrated into our day-to-day activities, be it in your normal functioning of the machinery at home, or the kind of activities, the ingredients we use in our kitchen, or the kind of washing and cleaning that we use in our day-to-day lives at home. A lot of these three subjects are totally integrated in our day-to-day life, which is primarily the main reason why we need to inculcate the habit or get children to understand science better, and not induce that fear in them that this subject is tough. While I understand there are gaps, there can be a lot of external factors that influence a child. But what would happen if the children begin to understand science more? One thing is, as they like the subject, as they understand the underlying concept of physics, as they understand the combination of chemistry, how does this formula work? What am I seeing? How do I see chemistry in my day-to-day life? They begin to evaluate the information. So the moment they start evaluating, and then they understand why you mix these two ingredients in your daily cooking and why does it give you this color, then they began to evaluate and understand, and then the interest and the critical thinking of the child improves. So the next stage is, once they have understood, okay, this is why this particular color changes, or this is why this reaction takes place, or this is why one molecule is shifted there. And once that understanding, the child is able to build the understanding themselves, they tend to feel a sense of accomplishment. Okay, this is actually not a difficult subject. Once that understanding sinks in, the child's self-confidence automatically improves. So they slowly begin to understand that it's actually not that tough. So let me try the next thing. So that is how we would want to begin the child's learning. Once that interest develops, what happens is the child wants to constantly learn and improve. So in science, what happens is, when they want to learn and improve, then they start beginning to try to work on their own inventions, try to create their own things, experiment, and what leads them to become, maybe some of them become scientists or want to do research. And the main concept behind learning and improving is, in research, is you keep trying to disprove what is already been proved and try to find new findings. So once the child is able to see that, okay, I'm able to do this, I'm able to understand things myself, it gives him or her that superhero kind of a feeling. I am able to discover new things myself. We see that a lot of young children who have understood the concept have begun to invent simple devices with whatever they have at home. So they begin to discover things that improve the lives of the people around us. So during COVID times, we've seen a lot of youngsters, young children between the grades of 8 to 12 have developed simple devices to help the common man. And then it becomes one of the wonders of the world. If I am able to make something useful for people around me, that leads to continue to preserve their sense of wonder. That's the next stage. So then they start questioning. A normal question is, a lot of our traditions or the basic principles that we follow in our country are all aligned to science. Not a lot of people will be able to explain to our children the science behind a lot of things that we follow. But then once we communicate to them, they start questioning us. Nowadays, children ask us a lot of questions. So then they start, the more questions they answer, they tend to explore and they become curious about things around them. So we need to help them understand and clarify all the doubts that come up in their little mind. So then this provides a method of questioning. So they start questioning things. Why should this be like this? Why should we not be going to this place at this particular time? What is the science behind this? And then they start investigating. They want to know what is the true fact, and then it begins with testing experiments. So small nuances at home will gradually help the child to develop an interest in the subject and begin working on bigger experiments in future, provided we are able to build that interest in science and stop talking from the concept that physics, chemistry, biology or other subjects are tough. Once you understand the concept, I don't think these three subjects are going to be tough. It will vary from individual to individual, but yes, the responsibility lies with the key stakeholders, educators, to provide this kind of knowledge to the children. Once this understanding is there, he becomes a wholesome personality, he becomes a better consumer because he understands how things work, and gradually the liking towards the subject increases, and then they tend to become better children and they explore and find ways to make things better. So these are just some of the points of research as to why children should science more, align the subject, make them like science more.